Welcome to this tutorial where I will show you how to update sensors using batch list functionality in LoRaWAN portal. First, you can have a look to the upper right here. Here you find batch list functionality. Now there is no devices or sensors added to the batch list. You also find in the main menu in the bottom, you also find link to the batch list. To add sensors to the batch list, we need to first search for devices. Then you can easily click here and it's added into the batch list. I will remove them like this. I can also open one device or one sensor and click here. Then I'm adding this sensor also to the batch list. But let's go back to search sensor. It's also possible here to filter. You can filter any text that's included in the search result. Now I search for a specific sensor type, and I can add only that to the batch list. When I remove this filter, it's only 3 added. But in this demo, I will show you how to update all the possible devices for this service provider. So I will now go into the batch list here. And as you can see, the 4 devices that was selected is now included in the batch list. Here I have a possibility to select one or multiple devices. I choose to select all, and then I click export selected. And by doing so, it pop-up appears, and it's possible to choose different fields that I want to update. DEVI will always be included because that's the unique identifier here. But for me now, I want to, for example, update export config and export profile on a sensor. But remember, don't select all fields. Only select the fields that you want to update, because if someone else is doing something while you have this Excel and working on it, you will overwrite what they are doing. So please, minimal with fields. So I choose 2 fields here. I generate. This opens up an Excel, and here I have the possibility to select different export configs that are predefined. You can't choose anything except these fields. And I can choose one export config here. I can choose another one here. And here I can choose to use Netmore own MQTT broker, for example. It's also possible here to select what we showed in another video, an export profile. So by doing this, I will not do anything on the last sensor. I save this file. I go back to my batch list, and on the 3rd tab here, it's an import. Here I import. I select the file, and all the rows in the Excel document will appear here. The DEVI is the unique key here. You can also see the fields I changed. Nothing is updated by just importing. You need also to press apply changes. When doing so, the changes will be automatically be done in the database. So you can see 3 was updated and 1 of the rows didn't have any change because I didn't do anything. So here I automatically updated 3 sensors by only importing Excel file. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.